Okay, I'll stop it. Here. You have to do this first. You see that X? You want me to stop her from eating? Or you can interact with it?
Stop her
Here. There. Oh, I took it all the way off. My fault. There you go. You're so excited. You're too excited. You have to be dexterous. Here, let me do it. Hold on. I'm going to give it back for you. Let me put it back on the page. You have to be more dexterous, okay? I can see if it's on childproof, but... There. You got it? No. See, you keep hitting that bottom button. You keep hitting that... Quit hitting that bottom button. There.
Make him eat.
Make him eat? Okay, the eat one is... hold on. I don't know what the eat one is. Hold on. It has to come back up. Okay, the eat one is this one. Right here. Oh, that's another one. I don't... Let's see.
Videotaping it?
Yeah, I'm videotaping what he's doing now. He's learning to interact with the talking with Ginger. You can take them. See, you can take them from him. French fries. Take your French fries. Take the French fries. Don't let him eat. Get the French fries. Eat. Get the coconut. Get it. All right. Get your cherry. Get your banana. Let me know when you want to try another phase, and I'll show you what's what, okay? The birthday cake. Just hit the other ones. If you want the birthday cake, just hit the cake. If you want the other ones, just hit... There you go. Oh, you moved. There you moved. You hit something else. The birthday cake is that one. Hold on, cancel that.
Chocolate.
What you talking about? You're on Google now. What did you? Give me the I got you, man. I got you. Hold on. There you go. Say hola.
Oh yeah.
Say como está.
Kaka.
What are you doing?
Happy song. Happy song. Yeah.
He said happy song. That's a happy song to you? You have to stop it if you want to interact with it. You stop it by doing this. Hold on. There.
The birthday cake.
You turned it off. Hit it. No. You'll learn. You want me to do it for you? You want me to go back? Want me to start it over?
It's coming.
It's coming? You sure?
Yeah, it's coming.
You sure?
Yeah.
I don't think so. I think you think so.
It's
not
coming.
coming.
It's coming. Yeah, it's coming. It's coming back.
Well, may I help you? May I help you?
coming back,
Well, let
Dad.
me hit a couple buttons to make sure.
What did you do wrong?
Here you go. Son, there you go. Talk to it.
Cut to it.
See, I'm running this. Say Obama, I'm coming. Said, Mom, I'm coming. Our new president.
I knew what he coming.
Say, you coming. Say, I coming. Our new president.
I coming. I knew president. Said, Mom, I'm coming. Our new president. He coming. Say, you coming. Say, I coming. Our new president.
Who the president, Craig?
Who the president?
Obama?
Obama fan.
Obama fan? You cute Obama fan?
Oh, it's not working.
It's not working anymore?
It's not working.
Okay, here. Let me hit
Chocolate.
Okay, it's a top.
Chocolate.
There you go.
It's that chocolate one, this one.
Huh?
It's that chocolate.
Let me see. Chocolate? He's about to download a whole nother app. Yeah, Craig. He can't help it. He'll be more dexterous when he gets older.
It's that chocolate.
He has chocolate.
It's that chocolate.
Yeah, this thing, yeah. Hold on, kiddo.
I couldn't.
Ice cream. Come on, let's do something else for a while. Let's go read a book.